Everybody, I am SlyTDM, and I woke up an hour ago, so I've been head. But later today, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna be playing on my Kindle. So, as you guys know, I have a different channel as well. So, yeah, I'm gonna be playing on this channel from now on, unless I get my other phone right here fixed. Then it's gonna be the other channel without a space before TDM. So you guys know I don't have a mic. You guys don't know I don't have a mic. So it's not gonna be good quality. I'm sorry for that, guys. But I guess that's just how it's gonna be. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna try to get Chelsea Road on this phone and play it for now. So, just a shout out for some games. And yeah. Battery. Broken battery. Normal battery. Broken battery. Normal, broken. And sorry, that will be it for today. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment below. Subscribe, please.